Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're picking up exactly where we left off in the previous lesson, and we're going to begin in the late update, and I'm just going to come here before the final closed bracket, and what we're going to do is say if open and close brackets. Inside those brackets we're going to say mg setting counter double equals 0. We'll come to the end of the line and we'll open and close brackets again, and let's get this into the comments. So I'll say if the variable equals 0, and inside the next set of brackets we're going to say underscore single shot selected. We're going to set that to be equal to true. Close that line off. Set single shot selected to true. Come down to the next line, semi-automatic selected, and I'm sure you've guessed what we're going to do here. We're going to say equals false. Close that line off. And again, we'll put that into the comments. And finally, we'll select the underscore fully automatic selected, and we'll set that to be equal to false again. Close that line off, and again we'll put that into the comments. And we've not done quite yet, we're still inside this same set of brackets. I am going to create a line break though, and I'm going to say underscore bullets per setting is going to be equal to the single shot per press. Close that line off, and in the comments we'll say and set the bullets per setting to equal and we'll put the single shot bullets per press at the end. So we'll just tidy that up. We'll come below and we'll copy that entire if block. Remember to get the last closed bracket here, and we'll just paste that in twice small. So we'll just go through and change what needs to be changed. So in the next one we'll say 1. If the counter equals 1, we're going to set single shot selected to false this time. But we are going to change the semi-automatic to true. So let's go ahead and change that, and in the comments as well. We're going to change this to semi-automatic bullets per press. And we'll change that into the comments as well. And finally, if the counter equals 2, again we'll change single shot selected to false, and this time obviously we're going to set full eye automatic to true. And the bullets per press fully should be, sorry. Fully automatic bullets per press. So let's just tidy that up. We'll change it in the comments also. So let's save that off and we'll downsize Visual Studio. We'll hit play and we'll just let this run through. And hopefully we can see all these settings being changed in this inspector. Okay, here we are in the game. We'll come to the game world, we'll select the FPS controller, let's come here, weapons, and we'll scroll so we can see the machine gun script. So let's cycle through until the machine gun script becomes active. So these are our settings. So we're set for the moment. If I hit my weapon mode button, remember we set that up in the previous video. We now change here. These are the balls to single shot selected, bullets per setting. Single shot bullets per press, there's the semi and fully. Bullets per setting is changed to 1. Let's change to semi-automatic. Again, we can see a change here in the inspector. Now bullets per settings has changed to 3. And now we're back to fully automatic. And as you can see, the bullets per settings. And we get value based on that int 32. Again, we went over that in the previous video. So at the minute we can change, but it has no effect. We can see them changing in the inspector, but we can still keep firing. The next thing we have to do is have a counter that counts the number of bullets being fired and requires you to lift off the fire button and press again. And that just made me jump because the character just died. I think that was to do with the stats because I've got the hunger and thirst running down very quickly at the moment. But I think this is a good chance to leave it here for now. So we've got the basic functions in press. We can see it working in game. And now we need to implement the counter to count off the bullets, and we'll pick that up in the very next lesson. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.